Hello guys, good evening and welcome back once again to another crypto live session with Crypto with B. I'm your host Brian, and of course I would like to share with you guys on the latest updates on the airdrop from the 11 February till the 17th of February, and this is more towards the recap of the airdrops that's happening within the week. So before I start, just a short disclaimer: past performance does not guarantee future result. Whatever buying, selling recommendation for the week, please do your due diligence on investing into any kind of asset. Okay, so let me share. Let's get us started. You can see here. Okay, so for the market outlook and of course technical side, you can see that the total crypto market cap for the altcoins excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can see the chart is actually heading towards the upside, breaking past this current resistance at 513.513 here. So next level might see somewhere around this level here, be around 673.11. Okay, most likely will be heading higher. Then if there's any chance of a retracement, you might see somewhere here. Okay, 414.88. Look at weekly. So the weekly time frame, okay, the chart, overall the trend is trending towards the upside, higher highs, higher lows, and it's breaking up, and also breaking past this current resistance here at 503.681. Okay, so overall the chart on altcoins is looking bullish. So let's look at the dominance. So dominance time frame, you can see monthly time frame, the chart on monthly, the price also is breaking up. So for dominance, it is actually trending up. So that's where the alts will most likely take a breather if Bitcoin dominance were to strengthen again. So then the next level to watch is here. Yeah, it's 58.29. Okay, 58.29%. Okay, is the level to watch. Looking on to the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame, you can see. Okay, the chart now is actually breaking up. You can see this is the current resistance and it needs to break at the 4.13%. Okay, so if it continues to break higher above this level, then most likely the dominance will continue to hit higher. Okay, then daily. So daily chart also, right, maintaining well on this spot, 53.68. Okay, then H4 for hourly sideways for the week. So you can see here, chart is actually maintaining at this level. And then, of course, the 4.13 is a level to watch to break. So if dominance were to break towards the upside, most likely Ethereum will take a breather. And then look at the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. You see the money time frame. Okay, chart is still downtrend. Okay, so what you can see now, this is a descending channel. Descending channel like this. So every time when there's a descending channel, there's a high probability of a break towards the upside. Okay, from this angle here. Okay, so this is the market probability where Ethereum might outperform against Bitcoin. But if the price were to break down, you might see here this level. Okay, around this level here at 0.043383. Okay, then look at weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame, you can see here there's a DB squeeze on weekly. Okay, price closing inside Bollinger Band. Okay, price also is bottoming out from here. So there will be a high chance maybe the price might break again above the middle band at 0.05473. So at the moment, it is still considered downtrend and sideways. And look at daily. So the daily now, okay, we can see it's rejected at the top BB at 0.055499. Okay, so Ethereum against Bitcoin, Ethereum is weakening against the Bitcoin. You can see here, extreme sell forming, candlestick change of direction, closing below the middle band. So most likely it's about to hit lower on this side here. Then to retest on these lows at the lower BB at 0.05290. Okay, so that's my take. Then look at BTC. Now BTC hovering around 52,000. Okay, trend is quite bullish. Okay, you can see here the next level cost will be the 58.9K, but any retracement might see around this level at 47.3. Okay, it will be the next pullback. Then look at the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame again looks like it's about to set close past the top B. Okay, creating a bullish momentum. So the previous resistance also have closed above here last week. Okay, then at 43.9K. Okay, so far overall is quite bullish. So I might see a pullback or breather. Maybe it might come back around to retest on this previous resistance here at 50K, 50,000 here, or the previous resistance will be here at 47. So the 47 or 50K will be this range where the price might have a pullback. Okay, before we see another leg towards the upside again. Let's look at H4. For hourly, you can see we squeeze on H4. So my take here might come back down here to test for BTC. Okay, so far overall the chart is bullish. Looking on to Ethereum, you can see also the chart also is bullish. Okay, monthly, I think will be a next level to retest is on the 3K level very soon. Now it's at 2790. Get the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame also you can see what the close past stop will be for this week. Moving on to the daily time frame. So daily time frame you can see momentum. Every momentum there's always a pullback. So this pullback might see something around this level here, around the 2616. 2616 will be a pullback for Ethereum. Okay, so this is a level to watch. Then here it's another resistance at 2685. So might come back down here for the test before we see another leg up again. All right, so that is the technical side. Now moving on to the airdrop. So you can see the first airdrop I want to highlight is definitely from PYTH. So if you have staked PYTH or PYTH network, okay, so I think you should qualify at least this token, right? Stake a minimum of 500 PYTH tokens. It will qualify you for this airdrop, okay, which is DB, right? A Degenbase trade. Okay, so Degenbase trade has announced a collaboration with PYTH network. Okay, so they are allocating about 8% of the total supply for PYTH stakers. So congratulations for you guys who have staked the PYTH network under the PYTH staking ecosystem. So here, this is the website or Twitter page from Degenbase. So this is actually a trading and options protocol. Okay, so this is basically providing you a platform for you to trade, right? Long, short, call or put options for trading. Okay, so this is a trading platform. Okay, so this one for TGE. Okay, we are still yet to know when they are going to announce their TGE. So this is the thing, as a PYTH network staker, you're entitled for this, right? A stake of minimum of 500 PYTH. Okay, so that I think should qualify for this token. Okay, so yeah, this is the one. Now moving on next, you can see here. Right, so next one is the injective ecosystem, which is NOIS. So NOIS right now is conducting another round, which is the third round. For those who are staking injective, okay, you can able to start claiming your tokens, your NOIS token, but of course this is a lottery system. So there is no chance, there is no guarantee that you'll be winning it. But in case if you win, okay, they will credit the NOIS into your wallet. Okay, so right, if you are eligible to participate, okay, you have 1/3 of the chance to actually win. Okay, NOIS is all about randomness for the IBC role. Okay, so like I said, even though if you're eligible, okay, even though your wallet is been eligible, okay, when you check, okay, your wallet is eligible, then there'll be another round of, so you need to roll the dice in order for you to qualify for the airdrop. Okay, so this is the website. You need to connect your wallet. Okay, then you have to roll the dice. So you can see here, okay, 1/3 of the chance of winning for this airdrop. So it's not a guaranteed thing, but it's a chance for you to win. Okay, so on and off, I think there'll be have another rounds or drops from NOIS. Okay, so this is not the first or the third round, but there'll be more drops coming in for NOIS. So stay tuned and continue to stake injective into the validators, which is outside the top 10. So this will actually qualify you to get some tokens from NOIS. Okay, then moving on next, you can see here. Now, next one also quite important. Okay, so for those of you who got Dimension tokens, okay, from last week, okay, from last week's results, okay, I think you should, if you have staked your Dimension token, okay, outside of the top 10 validator, I think you should also qualify for this airdrop called AVAIL. So AVAIL speculation is quite high, okay, and they will be announcing something on Ethereum Denver event on the 26th, somewhere around 26 to 29 February. Okay, so that's where they will announce something which is quite happening, and this will also involve AVAIL. So for those of you who stake DYM during the launch of the DYM TGE or the token listing on the day on the spot, then I think you should have a high chance to qualify. Okay, so what is AVAIL is all about? So this platform provides a fast and secure data and consensus layer that gives you all you need to launch a sustainable blockchain. Okay, a robust base layer designed to meet the needs of next generation trust, minimize applications and sovereign rollups. So another thing, keyword here is the rollups. Okay, because Dimension also focusing on roll-up apps. And here we have AVAIL again focusing more on the roll-ups. So another modular and of course another roll-up also. So this actually have something in common between these two. Okay, so staking DYM, okay, most likely will give you a higher chance to, to to gain this AVAIL token. Okay, so more and more news will be coming up on the 26th on the Ethereum Denver event. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so this is the thing highlight. Okay, so this is the AVAIL project. So you can be able to view their Twitter page and be able to see what they're actually doing. Okay, so yeah, this is the platform, right? Then of course moving on next, right? What we can see here, right? We have Milktia. So Milktia is actually a liquid staking platform. So you have stake your Celestia to Milktia, you should be getting this token called Milk or Milktia, a liquid token. Okay, now this liquid token you can able to hold in your Kepler wallet or in your Cosmos wallet. And besides that, you can able to put your Milktia to work by putting into those platforms like DEMEX, Pulsar, okay? And then of course other protocols they're offering Milktia, which entitle you for another returns or incentive. Okay, so right now they have already came up with these point system, which means whenever there's a platform coming up with a point system, you know that there will be another potential airdrop. So this point system is to actually giving the users a benchmark, right, on whether are they really active or are they CBIL, right? So these are the things to actually take note on the point system, right, to catch users who are who are active or trying to game the system. So these are the things to watch. And then you can see here 1 milk equivalent to one endpoint per day. Okay, plus active DeFi engagement will give you at least 1.2 endpoints per day. So instead of holding your Milktia in your wallet, you can be able to put your Milktia to DEMEX, example, like we have been doing to DEMEX, where we can be able to lend out our Milktia to earn the APY, okay, to earn some extra APY on top of this. So yeah, these are things. Daily snapshots will track Milktia balances for endpoint occurrence. So yeah, every day they will have snapshot. So if you are holding huge amount, then I think this is really good as well. But on top of that, I think it's better to put your Milktia to work to gain extra points. So here, when is the token? When are they going to launch the token? This is a timeline. And you can see here, endpoint system active throughout, okay, early 2024, okay, and then Milk token will launch, okay, for first half of 2024. So right now we are at February. So first half most likely will be from January to June, okay, or January to May. So we have roughly about 3 more months to actually maximize the points, to gain as much points to be able to qualify for the Milk drop. Okay, and then the tokenomics also will be coming up soon. Okay, so yeah, overall you can see that most likely will be airdropping on their tokens. So make sure you maximize your Milktia by putting into those platforms to qualify for another additional points. Okay, so these are the things to take note as well. Okay, all right. So yeah, among all of these platforms, I think the DEMEX will be much more promising compared to others, because others will be more towards the direct trading, okay, or more to the more towards the buying and selling, okay, or speculation. So these are things to watch. And then moving on next, so you can see here. Okay, so Starknet, like I've already mentioned, even on the Wednesday video, okay, they have already provide the eligibility for those of you who are farming Starknet. Okay, you can be able to check your wallet whether you're qualified for this airdrop. Okay, because I believe many or majority of the old timers do not get the airdrop. Of course, they are actually favoring more towards the developers. So if you are a developer, if you are into Starknet or providing solutions and value to Starknet, then I think you should qualify. So these are the requirements here. So Starknet users, right, if you have conducted, right, 5 times, right, you have used the service or swaps liquidity providing, at least 5 times in total during 3 months, 3 separate months or more, transacted with a cumulative amount at least $100 before November 15, then I think you should qualify. Okay, so yeah, I think this is the requirement. And of course, with the 0.005 Ethereum, which is somewhere around $10, if you hold at this amount, then you should qualify as well. Okay, so these are the things that Starknet requirement. Okay, because I believe many are actually being left out because they do not have 0.05 ETH in their wallet. Okay, so yeah, just to take note on this setup. So yeah, the claiming will be on the 20th of February, which is next week, this coming Tuesday. Okay, this coming Tuesday will be the claiming of your Starknet tokens. So Starknet, you can see here, currently is trading, right? You can see here. Okay, so this is AVAIL. So AVAIL is a leverage platform, leverage trading platform, and they're also about to announce their token as well. Okay, so Starknet currently trading at 1.77. Okay, at the moment. So you can see already how much you'll be earning from here. Okay, so this is the Starknet. Okay, Starknet drop. Now moving on next, we can see here. Now moving on next, we have also another injective ecosystem which is coming in from TALIS. So TALIS has been around and also have been mentioning about the airdrop since last year on December, if not mistaken. They have also given the clarity that they will be airdropping to those who stake until they are validated. Okay, stake under them, and then you should qualify. Okay, so injective stakers, okay, and then TALIS protocol users. So those who are either one of these, you should qualify. So how to check? So simply you can go to injective.talis.art. Okay, you can able to go here. Okay, right. Once you go here, you can able to view your dashboard by clicking onto your Kepler wallet, connecting it, and then go to the dashboard. The dashboard will bring you to this site. So this site where you need to paste your injective address, you just click check eligibility. That's all. Then it will show how much TALIS that you have. Okay, so claiming wise is still undecided yet. It's still TBE to be announced. Okay, so this is to check your eligibility. So I will update you guys on the next claim date on TALIS protocol. So I think it's looking set to have a claim date very, very soon. So for those of you who are yet to stake with TALIS, most likely you might want to shift to other validators because I think the airdrop have already ended, the snapshot have already taken, and of course the token eligibility have also issued out. So you might want to shift or redelegate some of your tokens out from TALIS. For those of you who are still sticking with TALIS, you can redelegate, and then for those who are new, you can be able to move on with other validators. Okay, then last but not least, you can see here. Okay, so this is coming in also from the, all right, so I think this is already done. Right, PYTH network. Okay. Okay, so PYTH network have another announcement also. Okay, so earlier was another one. Okay, so now PYTH network have also issued another one for airdrops. So for those of you who have staked at least a minimum of 250 PYTH network tokens, then I think you should qualify this token called Amber. But I believe this is more towards the point system. Okay, you can be able to use your Nabla Finance, and you can be able to do the quest on 𝗀𝗃, because 𝗀𝗃 takes a huge importance. Yeah, I mean companies, token providers, they want people who not only to stake but as well to participate in the campaign, so that to show that are you really an active user. Okay, so yeah, overall you can see, right? This is the Twitter page. So this is Nabla Finance. Okay, and then of course this is the website here. Okay. Okay, this is a website. Okay, so they have a lot of activities that's ongoing. We have testnet. Okay, we have the 𝗀𝗃 event. Okay, we even have private testnet as well. So I'm not sure why they do that. Okay, and then here is the main websites here. Okay, so they are focusing more on the liquidity or liquidity provider. Okay, so you can able to stake or you can able to provide liquidity into the platform. That is what they're trying to do. Deep liquidity for crypto and real world assets. Okay, so Nabla AM combines Oracle guided pricing with single-sided LPing. So it's a single token LPing to unlock deep liquidity and the highest capital efficiency. So I think this maybe could be quite good for those who are having a single token, but do not know how to do double-sided LP. So I think that's where Nabla Finance comes in to assist people who want to stake a single-sided, okay, to provide the liquidity provider, okay, for LPing. So I think this is a very good solution. But of course, you can see here, this is the testnet. Okay, app.nabla.5. So I think you need to have 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗀𝗃. Okay, you need to have 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗃 in order for you to do the testnet. Okay, so again, okay, here. Now, this is the 𝗀𝗃 website. So the 𝗀𝗃 website here, they can able to complete the campaign. Okay, I think they have a lot here. Okay, they have PYTH. Okay, they have a lot of activities. Okay, right. So you need to try to complete all of this. Okay, if you can't, then just leave it because you're accumulating points, but as well as to show that you're active. Okay, for this 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀 finance. All right. So I believe that's all I have for this week, guys. And once again, thank you for your time, and I will update you guys on the next airdrop again next week.